Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have some friend mail, and I have several cards, but I have filmed this now 3 or 4 times. I've started it, and I keep showing y'all addresses, so I'm not going to show you the cards. I will show them to you outside of the envelopes, because some people, their addresses on there, and I don't want you to get their addresses. So, I have 2 pieces of mail from the UK, and I was surprised to get 2 pieces. I knew about one. So this other one, it just has a really cool stamp. And since I already started showing you, I know it's a Christmas card. So it is fabulous Christmas card. Merry Christmas, it says. It's traditional Santa Claus. I love it. And the snow behind him. And this card is a really cool card. It's in aid of NSPCC, which says every childhood is worth fighting for. And this has an address on it, but no name. So I had to open it. It was postmarked December 13th, so it just took a while to get here. So it says, wishing you a wonderful Christmas. Hi, Mary. I just wanted to say that I enjoy watching your videos. You have a sweet energy, and the cats are adorable. Merry Christmas from Jenny. Jenny Bell. Excuse me. Jenny, thank you so much. I did not know you were in England. Jenny Bell is a subscriber, and she comments and stuff. And I didn't know you were in England. So how cool is that? I have another England friend, English friend. Thank you so much, Jenny. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. And I have another card from England, like I said. And this one I was expecting. This is from Terri. Terri has a channel. It's Terri's Inspirational Life. And she doesn't post very often, but what she does post is very inspirational. So you can watch her videos at any time. If you're feeling down, they'll perk you up. So I'll put her in the description for you to find her. And I just want to make sure I don't show you her envelope. This is beautiful. Let me show it to you and then I'll... Beautiful card. Now, Terri sent me 3 cards altogether, and this is the 3rd card. And excuse me, this is birthday. It says, to a wonderful friend, wishing you the happiness a lovely birthday brings, filled with perfect moments and lots of special things. All the best a year can hold and every dream come true. These are the wishes being made especially for you. Special wishes. And it says, dearest Mary, hope every moment of your day is special and every day of the year ahead brings all you're wishing for. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. You deserve it. Love you always, Sister Terri. XOXO. Thank you, Terri. That's beautiful. That card is real pretty. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, there you can. The sparkly. Thank you, Terri. That's so sweet. She's so sweet. I've known Terri a little while now, and she's just very inspirational, and she's a good lady to talk to, and she's just a dear lady and a dear friend. Excuse me, I don't know, I'm having some troubles here. I think it's sinus stuff, And then I got a card from Miss Sally Cookie, and Sally Cookie is Peach Rose, and she's a subscriber. And she sent me, this really cute thank you card, and something fell out. A couple things in there. It says, Dear Mary, thank you so much for all my goodies. I love them all, Sally. Sally recently won a giveaway of mine, and Sally, you don't have to send me a thank you card, but I appreciate that you did. Sally is, I forgot what she won, but she won a giveaway, and that my giveaways are to thank you all for being here, so I do appreciate that. And she sent me these cute stickers. Thank you, Sally. Those are so cute. I love them. And then I got a card from Kim. Kim's a little of a lot. And look at that pretty sticker on the back, poinsettia. And her address is on the front, so I'm not going to show that. And this is beautiful. Oh, wow. The blessings of the Lord be upon you. Psalm 129:8. Look at that beautiful picture, y'all. The church with the snow and then all the glitter. They did that. They did a beautiful job on that card. Very, very pretty. It says, Dear Mary, smudge in blue, at Christmas time and always, wishing you a happy, healthy, safe, and blessed holiday season. Love, Kim. Kim's a little of a lot. Thank you so much, Kim. I know it might be a little late, but I didn't even get some cards out, y'all. So I'm sorry. So I won't go there again about how bad I am about that stuff. Then I also got a package, and this is not Ipsy. It's not my Ipsy, but it is a package. It's a very heavy package, and that's what I do too, is I reuse these things, so they're good to reuse. This is from a subscriber, Tori Birch. And again, I won't show you addresses. So she sent me some goodies. She has some cute stickers on the front too. But I don't want to show you, I don't mind showing you my address because it's a P.O. box, but okay. Those cute stickers. And then their butterfly there. Oops, am I showing you her address? Okay, I don't want to. Okay, there is a card inside, and it says a cheery hello. Look how cute that is, y'all. Cute little mouse sitting on the bear's head. Now that's very cheery. Here in January, how nice to get a card like that. It says, hope every little thought this brings adds sunshine to your days and brightens every hour in the very nicest ways. It says, oh, private note, she said. Okay, that was very good, Tori, very good to say that, because sometimes we don't know what we're going to say. You know, sometimes we start reading and maybe we say, ooh, maybe I shouldn't be reading that. But on this side, it says, Happy Mass Mondays. Just wanted to share the love. Hi, Blue and Smudge. Okay, and then I will read the private later. Thank you so much, Tori. And she sent me some goodies, y'all. Okay. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is Beauty Treats Plumeria Facial Mask. That looks very beautiful. Plumeria is a beautiful scented flower. I'm pretty sure, aren't the plumerias, those are what they use in leis in Hawaii, right? And so they're very hardy. They last a while. Refreshing vitamin C solution. Contains vitamin E and natural extracts. So it's good for all types of skin, it says. And then we have the Esfolio brand, which is a great brand. The Banana Essence Mask Sheet. I like the Banana Essence ones. So that'll be nice to do. Thank you, Tori. I like that. And there is this Nature, I think is how you say that. It's like nature, but it has some extra letters in there. Nature and Moisturizer. Nature. This one is White Rose. It takes 15 minutes, it says. And there's another one like that is Fresh Aloe. Oh, there's a third one as well, okay? And there's a third one that is Sweet Honey. So thank you so much, Tori. These are nice. And then we have some other little things in here, y'all. This is Jojoba Oil Premium Hair Mask. Helps reduce hair loss. Acts like the skin's natural oil to moisturize scalp and help reduce hair loss. Sunflower Mega Care. It does say Difeel brand, I think. So this is a lot of stuff in it, y'all. So this would be good. You know, if you have really long hair, then let's see, apply to clean wet hair and comb through completely and leave on for 7 minutes. Okay, so if you have really long hair, it might take the whole thing, but I bet even if you have really long hair, you could use this on, 2 times. So someone like me could use this 3 or 4 times. So it says do not use more than twice a week. No heat required. Rinse thoroughly. Very interesting. Thank you, Tori. And then there is this. This looks like, this is pretty. This is a fan. Let me open it. So this will be good for Mass Monday. I love fans. To help you dry your, look how pretty that is, y'all. It's, has gold on this. And then when you open it, it looks like that. And it has this, you could hold it. And then, you have your mask on and you can fan. Or just, for anything. And it folds up so you can carry it with you if you need to. Like you're somewhere and there's no air conditioning or something. Use that. That's cool. Thank you, Tori. That's beautiful. And then there is this. Excuse me. This is a cooling gel eye mask. How cute those butterflies are. Let's open that up and see if that's on. It says when you're in need of a relaxing moment, cooling sensation reduces headaches, helps you relax. Let me take it out of here. How to use. Refrigerate overnight. Oh, it has a strap on and everything. Okay, refrigerate overnight. Place over your eyes, secure the band around your head, and leave for approximately 20 minutes. That's really cool. I have seen things like this before. They have gel in there, and where they're just like, 2 circles. I think I have a set of like cucumbers or something, and then you just lay them on your eyes. But this is actually a mask, and then you can hold it on your head. So this would be really nice if you've got a headache, Or if you're really, you know, you've got overheated or something and you just want to cool off and put this on and keep it on for 20 minutes and it'll relieve some of your tension and headache and just make you feel good. And it's got the cute butterflies on it. Thank you, Tori. That's so cool. That is from the AOA Studios. So thank you, Tori. That's so nice. Oh, it feels good too, y'all. It feels good. I'm going to put that in my fridge so it's at the ready when I need it. So thank you all so much for the lovely friend mail. I love it. You know, I'm just a little crazy, y'all. I wanted to show you this. This is a bonus item if you are playing the treasure hunt. And I just forget to show you things. This is just a necklace. It's just a cheap, you know, a cheap costume jewelry, silver necklace. It is, you know, it'll hang about here on you. And let me show you what it got turned around. It's like a metal bow with rhinestones on it. You know, it'll look like diamonds, and it has a key. And the key has some of the rhinestones also. So you can see it's the bow is heavy, and then the key is lightweight. So see it against fabric maybe. So that's cute, isn't it? So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing my friend mail. And I really enjoy getting friend mail. It's a lot of fun. But you don't have to do that. Nobody has to send me anything, but I do appreciate when I get a card or something that's nice. Just to know that you're thinking about me, and I think about y'all all the time too. So thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.